kindergartners, it's me again, and I'm here to continue talking to you guys about the math lessons that you've been practicing with the other kindergarten teachers throughout the week. I know throughout the week you have been practicing counting 10 and then some, so like 10 and 1, 10 and 2, 10 and 3, so like when you have a pile of 10, and then you have some ones, so you have a pile of 10, and then 3 ones, or 6 ones, or 7 ones. So we're going to continue to practice that and counting numbers past 10. It's just another way to help you do that. So for my lesson today, I needed a helper because I only have 2 hands and I need more than 2 hands and more than 10 fingers. So I brought a helper with me today.
Hi.
This is my sister, guys. And she's here to lend me an extra hand so that you guys can help, that you guys can learn this say 10 method. So I'm going to do an example for you. Again, we're counting the say 10 way. So I'm going to start off by showing you my 2 hands. I want you to count my fingers. Tell me how many there are. Right, there's 10 fingers. Let's count them just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10. This is like our pile of 10 that you've been practicing these past couple of days with the other teachers. This is like our pile of 10. So I have 10 fingers. And then my helper is going to hold up 1 finger. All right, so now I still have my pile of 10. I still have 10 here. But how many do I have over here? 1, right. So I have 10 and 1. So what number is that all together? How many fingers do we have all together? Count them for a quick minute. Got it? All right. So how many fingers do we have? Right, we have 11. Let's count them just to make sure. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Good. So 10 and 1 make what number? 11. Perfect. Kiss your brains. Good job. All right. So now I'm still going to hold up my 10 fingers, and then I'm going to have my helper here hold up 1 more finger. All right. So how many fingers is she holding up now? 2. Right. 1, 2. And I'm still going to put up my 10 fingers up here. So now let's count our fingers again to see how many we have. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 fingers. We have 10 and 2. 10 and 2 make what number? 12. Good job. All right, so hold up another one. This time I want you to find someone around your house to come help you, because I know you two only have 2 hands. So grab someone really quick from your house. It could be your mom, your dad, your grandma, grandpa, aunt, uncle, your brother, sister. Maybe not your dog, because it's kind of hard to count their little paw fingers, you know. So just someone around your house will give you a quick minute to find someone. You can pause this video if they're like busy. You need to like get them to come help you. It's okay. All right, you found someone. Perfect. All right, so I want you to hold up 10 fingers. Got them? Perfect. And your helper is going to hold up 3 fingers. This is my helper. She's holding up 3 fingers. So what number have we made now? Count your fingers with your helper. Well, I'll count mine with my helper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Did you make 13? Good, we both made 13. So 13 is made up of 10 and 3. 10 and 3 is 13. Awesome. So let's try another one. So again, I want you to hold up 10 fingers And then your helper is going to hold up how many do you think? What number comes after 13? Right, 14. So I want your partner to hold up 4 fingers. All right, so now we have 10. I'm holding up my 10 fingers, and your helper should be holding up 4 fingers. So when we put 10 and 4 together, let's count to see what number we get. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What number do we make? 14, right. So 10 and 4 make 14. Right, so I hope you're getting the hang of this right now. So when we count, when we're counting numbers bigger than 10, we have 10 and 1, 10 and 2, 10 and 3, 10 and 4, 10 and 5, and you can go all the way up to the number 19. So like counting that way. So we are going to practice using some other stuff. Again, I'm not in my classroom, so I don't have a lot of the stuff that I usually have to help you count with, like our linking cubes. We don't really have those, but that is okay because I looked around my house and found some things to help us count. So I'm going to go ahead and say bye to my helper. Can we all say thank you to my sister for helping us? Thank you, guys. All right. You may go. Thank you.
Bye.
All right. So like I said, I don't have a lot of things that I use to help you count at school. I don't have our cubes or like our teddy bears or anything, but I did look around my house and I found some balloons that we can use to help us count. So I am going to take out some balloons here. I need to start off with a pile of 10. So I'm going to move this down so you can see. I'm sorry, you can see my feet here, but that's okay. It's because I'm at home and I don't want to wear my shoes at home. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So make sure you can see that. Alright, I hope you can see that. So just now I have 10 balloons here, and then I am going to put 1 over here. So again, how many do I have in this pile? 10. Right, perfect. I have 10 over here and then 1 over here. So what number does 10 and 1 give me? Think about it in your brain first. Keep it in your brain, and then I'm going to count them to make sure that you got the answer right. So ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Did you say 11? Oh my goodness, I am so glad you did. You are so smart. That's awesome. Right, 10 and 1 make 11. So now, if I add another balloon over here, I now have how many over here? 10. Awesome, good job. And how many do I have over here? 2. Perfect. So 10 and 2 make what number? Think about it in your brain, thinking about what we just practiced a minute ago and what we know, what we've been practicing throughout the week. What number do we now have if we have 10 over here and 2 over here? What numbers do 10 and 2 make? Tell me in 3, 2, what? Perfect. It makes the number 12. Let's count just to make sure. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. So, scoot this over a little bit for you. So, yeah, we made the number 12. Now, let's see. I'm going to add another one. All right. I have 10 over here again. And now I have 3 over here. What numbers do 10 and 3 make? Perfect. It makes the number 13. So let's count them just to make sure that we do have 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Awesome job, guys. So now let's see. I'm going to add a couple more. All right. So now I still have 10 balloons in this pile, but let's see how many ones I have over here. Let's see how many more balloons I added over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 10 and 9. How many do I have all together? What number did I just make? 19. Perfect. So when we count, we can use the say 10 way to help us. So 10 and 1, 10 and 2, 10 and 3, 10 and 4, and so on. So I hope that's been helpful for you. We are going to do one more example, and this time if you have things around your house that can help you practice counting the say 10 way, I'm going to give you a couple minutes to go around your house and look for it. Maybe you can use markers, crayons. If you have sticks outside your house, you can go find some sticks. You can go find rocks, So sticks, rocks, anything you can find to help you count, you can go ahead and gather that up together. I'll give you a couple minutes to do that. You can pause the video if you need to and then come back to me once you found everything. That is perfectly fine. It's all good. Go ahead and start looking for something. All right, did you find something? Perfect. We can move on with our lesson. So, again, I'm going to move my computer down just so you guys can see what I'm counting down here. So, for me, I found these sticks in my garage. So, I'm just going to use them to help us count. So, again, over here, I have made a pile of 10. I want you guys to count them with me just to double check that I did not mess up. So as I point to them, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. I do have 10. Thank you for helping me check that. So again, I have 10 right here. And then if I add a couple more over here on this side, I have 10 over here and then 3 over here. So what number do I have? 13. Perfect. I have 10 and 3 and that makes 13. So 10 and 3 is 13. And let's say if I add 2 more over here, I want you to show this using the things you gathered to help you count. So again, I want you to have a pile of 10 and then a pile of 5 on one side. Got it? Perfect. So we have 10 and 5. 10 and 5 is what number? 15. Perfect. And then let's see if I add a couple more. Sorry, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now you still have your pile of 10 and then we have a pile of 9. Go ahead and show that with the stuff you gathered. Show me 10 and then 9. All right, you got it? Awesome, possum. All right, so we have 10 and 9. 10 and 9 make what number? 19. Awesome. When we have a pile of 10 and then we have some ones, we make the number 19. Awesome. So, back over here, I hope this lesson has helped you see our teen numbers in a different way, and hopefully you can use this to help you count later on when you're practicing at home. If you're counting, maybe cereal, you can count, if you're outside playing, you can count rocks, you can count people if you're, at the park, whatever it is, you can use this to help you count. So, again, I am going to call my helper back over here just so we can go over how to count using the say 10 way. So come back, please. Alright, so here she is again. Alright, so I'm going to put up again how many fingers? 10. Perfect. I'm going to put up my 10 fingers And then as we count, my helper is going to be putting up her fingers. So please count along with us to help you guys get into the habit of counting the Say 10 way. So again, I have 10 fingers. So we have 10 and 1, 10 and 2, 10 and 3, 10 and 4, 10 and 5, 10 and 6, 10 and 7, 10 and 8, 10 and, oh, there we go, 10 and 9. All right. So I hope that has helped you. And if you have any questions, feel free to tell your mom or your dad to email me or send me a quick text message. And I'm so happy to help. I hope you guys are doing awesome and practicing as much math and reading as you can during this break. And I can't wait to see you guys soon. I love you and I miss you. And again, I can't wait to see you guys. Bye.